So today we have assembly, class 6 here as our first assembly, and I'm the host and I'm gonna read out my script. The art of life is to know how to enjoy a little and endure very much. With this beautiful quote, I, Koshiki Ds Boro, would like to wish you a very good morning present here. Respected Father, Father Vice Principal, teachers, elder brothers, sisters, and all my dear friends, today we the students of class 6A are going to conduct our first day morning assembly. Every morning brings us new thoughts, new words, and endless possibility. So to enlighten us and brighten our morning, here comes Rangina to deliver the prayer. Thank you, Rangina. It is very important to update ourselves about the current happenings around the world. So here comes Nomon with her news. Thank you, Nomon. Anchoring pledge is not an ordinary task. It fills the air with a sense of responsibility, commitment, and unity. So to say the pledge, I call upon Bibash. Thank you, Bibash. A new thought can inspire your day. So to brighten our morning assembly, I would like to call Pragyan for the thought. Thank you, Pragyan. Idiom is very important, and to develop our vocabulary, I would like to call Yash for the idiom. Thank you, Yash. The environment is the natural world that provides resources and sustenance for life. So to know more about environment, here comes Trisha for the speech. Thank you, Trisha. Now, I sincerely like to invite our respected father to say some words. Thank you, Father, for your precious words. Now, I would like to call my friend Dibjyoti for the national anthem. But before that, I would like to thank each one of you for listening us patiently. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.